Hello friends, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது water cycle by SK Uttara. பாருங்க, water evaporates from the earth's surface. If you spill a glass of water outside, you will notice that a few hours later the water is gone. That is because water slowly turns from a liquid into a gas called water vapor. The process of water turning from a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. Evaporation happens faster on a hot day. That is because the evaporation of the water outside is powered by the sun. The hotter it is outside, the faster water will evaporate. Since water in its gas form has no color, we cannot see it. It just goes into the air. Next பார்ப்போம். Water conducts to the form clouds. Water vapor rise up in the sky due to sun's heat. Once the water vapor rise high enough, it conducts into water droplets. Condensation is the process of water turning from a gas into a liquid. You have probably experienced condensation if you have had a cold glass of water at a restaurant. As the cold glass sits on the table, water vapor from the air conducts into water droplets on the glass. The same things happens as water vapor rises into the sky. It turns into liquid water. It is important to remember that not all water conducts from clouds. Form clouds. Some of it conducts close to the ground to form dew, and some of it rise up only a little bit of form fog. But most of it rise high in sky to form clouds. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets, billions and billions of them. Step 3. Water falls back to the earth as precipitation. When water droplets get heavy enough, they falls back down the earth as rain. We call this precipitation because it can happen in a few different ways: rain, liquid water, snow, frozen water, and hail, big pieces of frozen water. Precipitation brings the water back down to the earth and cycle repeats. The sun shines on the water and it starts evaporating again. This is why we call it the water cycle. The water cycle is constantly happen every day for billions of years. The water in a water bottle was not made last week or even last week. It could be that same water that passed throughout a dinosaur billions of year ago. It ends up in your water bottle thanks to the water cycle, which is always happening. After the dinosaur went to the bathroom on the ground, that water evaporated to form water vapor there are, which rose up in the sky of form clouds. Then it fell back down to the earth as rain, which probably ended up in a river. And the thousands of cycles later, that water ended up in your water bottle. இந்த மாதிரிலாம் பாத்ரூம்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாதுப்பா. இந்த மாதிரி பாத்ரூம் வாட்டர் சைக்கிள் இங்க பாருங்க, இங்க பிக்சர் தெரியுது, அவங்களால பார்க்க முடியுதுல்ல. இங்க பாருங்க, இது சன் ரேஸால கிளவுட்ஸ் வந்து இந்த பெரிய கடல் அந்த மாதிரி இருந்தா மேகம் வந்து அதை எடுத்துக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து வேற ஊர்ல வந்து அது மழையா பெய்யுது. அதான் மழை பெய்யுமோ திருப்பி அந்த இது சீக்கே வந்துரும்ல, அதான் வாட்டர் சைக்கிள். Evaporation, when liquid is converted into a gas. Condensation, when a gas turns into a liquid. Water vapor, when water in gas form. Water cycle, the cycle of the water evaporating and condensation on earth. It has been happening for billions of years. Dew. Condensation found on a ground, usually on grass. Clouds, tiny droplets of condensed water and vapor floating high above the ground. அவ்வளோதானே. வெல்கம். இங்க பாருங்க, இந்த வீடியோ முடிஞ்சுது. உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, எல்லாம் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ, பாய். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்ப்போம்.